Be a video on a John Deere 317 diesel skid steer. Gonna come with the forks on the front, auxiliary hydraulics. Tires look pretty decent. It's got a little drip right there I'm noticing coming off something. Let's see, one of these lines right here maybe. Anyways, something to be aware of. You can come check it out though, see what you think. Got some weights on the back. Pretty straight, 4,246 hours on it. Yeah, so just the forks, no bucket. Gonna need a seat eventually. Gonna have the pedal controls for the bucket, the up and down handle controls right here. I'll fire it up. Got to have a seatbelt on to make it move. And on the side, I'll rev it up a little bit.